In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy, sell, and manage stocks or ETFs using Robinhood on your PC. Whether you're new to investing or just looking for a refresher, I'll walk you through every step of the process, from placing trades to enabling dividend reinvestment and tracking your portfolio. So, let's get started. First, begin by opening Robinhood on your computer and logging into your account. Make sure you're connected securely and always double check that you're entering your credentials on the official Robinhood website for your security. Once you're inside, look toward the top of the page for the search bar. Click there and type in the name or ticker symbol of the stock or ETF that you're interested in. As you type, Robinhood will automatically show matching results. When you see the correct asset, simply click on it to bring up its detailed page. To purchase this asset, click the buy button. You'll have the option to either enter the specific number of shares you want, or, if you prefer, you can enter a dollar amount you wish to invest, thanks to Robinhood's support for fractional shares. After entering your purchase details, take a moment to review your order. Double check everything to make sure you're buying the right asset and the correct amount. When you're ready to proceed, just click Buy to complete your purchase. If you decide you want to sell your shares at some point, just head back to the Assets page. Here, you'll notice a Trade button. Click it, then select Sell. Enter the number of shares you'd like to sell. Again, review your order carefully before finalizing by clicking the Sell button. This process helps ensure everything is correct before the sale goes through. Now, if you're someone who's interested in dividend reinvestment, meaning any dividends earned are automatically put back into the same stock or ETF, Robinhood makes this easy too. Click on the asset you own, then scroll down until you see the dividends section. There, you'll find a toggle for reinvest dividends. Switch this on and follow any on-screen prompts to confirm that you'd like your dividends to be reinvested automatically in that asset. This can be a great way to build your holdings over time without having to place new orders yourself. To keep an eye on how your investments are doing, click on Account, then select Investing. This brings up your entire portfolio, showing your current positions and any dividends you've received or have waiting to be reinvested. Regularly monitoring your portfolio will help you stay aware of your performance and make informed decisions in the future. Finally, a quick but important note. Investing in stocks and ETFs always involves some level of risk, and returns are never guaranteed. It's important to do your own research and invest only what you're comfortable with. And that's a complete walkthrough of buying, selling, and managing investments on Robinhood using your PC. Thanks for watching and happy investing.